Hi, Philip Lamacchio here, main instructor at the American School of Plaster Restoration and owner of Estate Plaster here in Greensboro, North Carolina. I am really excited to launch this online resource for plaster restoration with a 90-day free trial. Man, it's been a long time coming. I've been dreaming of this for years and trying to find a way to make it happen, trying to figure it all out has been a trial in its own right. But you're going to get a 90-day free trial. So feel free to post your pictures and ask any questions about the projects you're going through or dealing with, or things that you see on the job. Say if you're a painter or a guy who's done drywall and you don't know quite how to handle some of the things that are coming up. Anything related to the technical aspect of plaster repair, and I'm going to do my best to answer it here for free. If your question warrants it, I will create a video which will be available for everyone to watch. But I want to be completely transparent now. While I have restored plaster professionally since 1985 in Chicago with a well-known company up there, I've seen a lot of projects over the years and learned a lot from others. Still, I haven't done tons of ornamental plaster work, but I can create and run templates for crown molding. Still, my focus has been on the restoration of plaster walls and ceilings. In time, I expect to bring an expert in ornamental work on board to help with some of the more technical questions of that work. But since I see very little of it here in this part of the country in the South, it's not going to be a focus for now. I do feel confident that most of the things you're dealing with or want to know, I'm going to be able to help you with. I'm going to share with you my time-tested techniques and knowledge about the materials, the tools, the important techniques and the steps that you have to take to create a good plaster repair. And if I don't know something, I'll try to find out about it so I can tell you. Also, in this part of the site, we're going to be focusing on the technical side of plaster repair. Water damage, stress cracks, ceiling collapse issues, how to recognize those, and other things common to a residence with interior plaster. We're not doing exterior. We're focusing on interior. So there's a lot more that meets the eye than you would realize, and it does matter if you're going to make a solid repair. Also, in the name of transparency, depending on when you join, there may or may not be a lot of how-to videos available yet, because we're just building this out. Videos take a lot of time to make, so for now, I'm going to focus on the specific projects and problems and questions that you have as we build out this teaching resource. Also, another thing, take note please. This is a 90-day free trial plan, but it won't be around forever. But at the end of your 90 days, your free trial will change to a paid plan. And if you want to end that free trial, please do so 3 days before the end of the free trial period. Otherwise, you'll be charged $29 for the next month. But I hope you will find this to be a valuable resource either as a DIYer or someone who is or wants to make a profession out of this niche skill set. So take advantage of it now, and I'll see you on the forum. But this is why we're taking your credit card information up front. Again, it will not be charged until the end of your 90-day period. By the way, do you want to become a pro? I think that's a great choice because it's a great opportunity. There's very people with this knowledge and this skill set. Learn all the techniques here on this part of the site, but look for a pro option in the next few months. That's where we're going to talk about everything from the importance of your business name to getting a steady stream of high quality customers, how to estimate profitably, and anything and everything to do with being a successful plaster restoration professional. So, see you on the inside, and I can't wait for your questions. Take care, guys.